Hi, moms and dads, welcome back to the Honest Motherhood. I hope you all are doing great and also your kids are doing good. So, today's video is something extremely important and it's mostly for moms and dads because we, as a mom and dad, we always ensure that it's everything perfect for our kids. But in that stage, we actually forget ourselves, we forget to take care of our health, which is very important because when we take care of our health, is when actually it benefits our kids. I know it might sound very weird that how can it actually benefit our kids, but yes, staying fit as a mom and dad will actually benefit your kids, because when we stay healthy, we set an example for our kids, for our baby, that this is how you're supposed to be. I mean, this is what you're supposed to eat healthy, and this is how you're supposed to dress yourself or groom yourself, or this is how you're supposed to exercise every day so that you will stay fit and healthy. Because when we do that is when our kids, they will copy us. And when you force something to your kids, they will definitely not do it, but when you start doing it, your kids will automatically start doing it. So it starts from us. So when we start taking care of our health is when our kids also will start taking care of their health. And we all know, if our kids are healthy and fit, they will definitely be able to fight with any kind of obstacles, let it be a change in a season, or let it be getting any infection from other kids, anything for that matter. If they are fit and if they are healthy, they will be able to fight back with any kind of a challenges. And for that reason, we have to stay fit as a mom and dad, so that our kids also will stay fit. And also, it's not only that, it will set an example, but it's also something that helps us and also our kids for a long term. Our health will be good, and when long term our health is good, we will be able to spend more time with our kids, we'll be able to take them out, we will be able to stay fit, we'll be able to balance their level of energy that kids have. We all know kids are extremely overly energetic, and to match their energy, it's completely impossible for us parents. But if we want to match their energy, we have to stay fit, so that we can spend good time with our kids, so that when they ask us to play with them, we can be there, so that we can dance with them, we can sing with them, and we can take them around the world and enjoy and make memories. Because I always say that kids, they grow up so early, so quickly, that you'll feel that it was just yesterday that they were crawling. So how quickly they grow up is that something we cannot even imagine. So it is best that the time that you have for your kids, use it, utilize it, and spend more time with them and take them out and make memories. Because your kids will only remember the memories that they spend with you as a mom and dad, and nothing else. And that is what matters the most. And also, the other important things are, it will help as a family mentally, because when we are mentally strong and physically strong, everything goes really smooth. We will face any challenges that comes, any obstacle that come, and that is how your kids will also learn. And which is very important, we have to teach our kids. And also, it will build a very good and healthy habit in our kids. And when you start from early, building this kind of a habits in your kids of what they should eat and how they should stay fit, it will be really helpful for your kids and for you guys as well. So as a mom and dad, please take care of your health. And also, what we do as a mom and dad, I always do workout in house along with my baby, so that he sees what I'm doing and he follows that. And my husband, he goes to gym. So that is how we are taking care of our health. And also, we ensure that we don't eat anything unhealthy like maida, sugar. We don't eat the whole week, but once a day we take it as a cheat day for all three of us, and we go out, we eat, we enjoy. And that is how it is. I mean, we are not forcing ourselves or our baby to follow any strict diet, but we are ensuring that we eat healthy and we eat tasty food, and also ensuring that we enjoy one of the days, so that it just balances the things. So that is how we planned our routine, our family way, I mean, way to follow. And you guys can also plan up with your kids, like what you want to do, how you want to do. And also, nowadays there is everything that you get in food also, which is naturally made with natural ingredients, with no preservative, with no sugar, with no maida. So you can opt for that, and that's the reason why everything in my house I've switched it to something which is healthier, so that if my baby also wants to eat that what I'm eating, then it's completely okay, because it's completely healthy. And because of that, actually, me and my husband, we both are fit, and because of that, even my baby is fit. So if even if we get sick or something, we recover very quickly because we are taking care of health, which is very important, and we rarely fall sick. So that is something, a plus point, I would say. And also, when we stay fit, it encourages confidence in us, and we as a family, me, my husband and my baby, we are very confident in ourselves, and we feel really fit and real extremely good. And many of the people have given us a compliment that, as a mom dad, you guys don't seem like as a mom dad, because we are taking care of our health, and we are ensuring that we don't eat maida and sugar. And that's the very reason why, we are staying fit and we are doing exercise. That is another thing. So yes, just do this, parents, and you will also be perfectly fit, and ensure, and when you're fit, your kids also will become fit. So that is a main goal for us. We have to ensure that we stay fit, and also ensure that our kids stay fit, so that any obstacle comes, so we can fight back, and we all can stay fit, and we can take care of ourselves. That is the important message that I wanted to give you guys. And take care of yourself.